Hi, I'm Dwight from Robust Spectrum Outdoors, and today I am biking and kayaking Chicago. So a part about being in the city life, you can still find all these outdoor activities and things to do on the bike, kayaking. You just gotta search for them. And you'll oftentimes see sides of the city no one sees. So I've already gotten a stare down with the drug addict and, and had a couple close calls with some cars, but it's not for the faint of heart, the concrete jungle. So in Chicago, you can get these bikes for like $3 for half an hour, $15 for the day, and just they're all throughout the city. So you can really just get up and go. It's a way to do it. Came across a fountain or something. So we're off on the kayaking tour. They're gonna take us down the river, I think.
Something else was known for was a suite of onion plants that riddled the entire area.
Chicago police on the water.